Hello, so I currently have the hair cap sewn onto my doll, and I've got all this bundled up hair, nice and organized, but I'm about to take them off now because I'm gonna get ready to style my doll's hair. So what you can do as a quick tip, if you do not like these the strandy look of yarn hair and you would prefer a fuzzy felted one, you can use a dog's brush and comb, or a very fine brush with lots of bristles. You can comb through the strands while they're still separated in these chunks. So I have these different chunks here. If you are like me and you do like the look of yarn hair, then feel free to keep it the way it is. So I'm going to release these bundles now. Take these off. Oops. Kind of tied a funny bow there. And this very last one as well. All right, and as you can see, oops, there it is. As you can see, my doll has a midline part going through the center of her head, and I'm kind of seeing that the part isn't totally even. So I can easily fix that by brushing a few strands here and there. So I'm gonna move these and even it out. And if you like kind of a natural, unruly look, that is great too. You just keep it the way it is, all natural, right? All right, let me pull this one down, there. Okay. I kind of like this a little bit more. Now it looks a little bit more even. All right, so now I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can style your doll's hair. If you want to leave it just like this, nice and simple, with your hair down, that's a beautiful way of doing it. You can also part your doll's hair and tie little pigtails if you like. That gives a very cute young look. One of my favorites is doing what I call the princess hairstyle, and it's a very feminine, romantic look. I just pull down some strands of the front, like so. Now she kind of looks like the girl from The Ring, huh? All right, that's not where it ends though. So you're gonna take those strands that you pulled down, make sure it's separated in the midline, and you're going to twirl the two strands, like so. After that, wrap it, oops, let me fix the bottom. Okay, make sure the rest of the hair is looking neat as well. So you're going to take that strand and bring it to the back. Bring it to the back. And you can tie it together in the back here. Let me do that real quick. I'll just do a simple knot to hold it together momentarily. Okay. And you can move the hair strands, fix it up a little bit if you want it to be at an angle. All right, so there's the princess hairstyle, which I really love for my more princess looking dolls. So this gal in particular, she's wearing a lovely little dress. You can see, oops. Yeah, I have an extra long strand here. Let me just cut that off so it doesn't look like an eyesore. All right. She's got her little princess dress on with her little shoes, and I actually have a crown for this gal. Here's her little crown, and it would sit on the top of her head. Oh, or you could put it front and center, I guess. All right. So that's, again, that's one more hairstyle you could do. Let me take that one apart. And something else I like is to give my doll a fringe or bangs. So instead of, well, one way to do it is to actually take a yarn needle and more of the hair colored yarn and sew bangs directly onto the head. Now if you do that, it means the bangs are not removable, of course, and they're going to stay on the head. But if you like to be able to change up the style, you can use the hair that you've already put onto your doll's hair cap, like what I'm going to show you here. Just let me pull this back. So I gathered a clump from one side of the doll's head, and I'm going to bring it across to the other side, like so. And what you can do is you can secure it on the bottom with a clip, or if you want, you can clip it to the side of the doll's face too. And let the other parts of the hair just droop down naturally. So that does give a very lovely look as well. You can even kind of just leave the hair there, and these two strands look kind of funky to me, so I'm going to bring them across too. There. And doll hair is definitely really fun to play with. You can add embellishments such as flowers, bows, and even buttons and little accessories to put in. It would look really lovely and just have a lot of fun with it. All right, so you can add that crown on like that too. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope this gives you a few ideas on how to style your doll's hair. All right, thank you very much.